Part three, what is up? We are in our final week of the first 9 weeks. Um, so at this point in time, you have nothing else due for me for the week. So if you are all caught up with all of your 9 sketches, I believe you should have, then you're good. You're solid for this week. That's it for the 9 weeks. You have everything turned in. You're sitting pretty. This is nice. If you owe me things, I need you to get me those things before Thursday, which is November 5th, which is the end of the 9 weeks. So if you owe me any sketches, anything you missed, get that stuff turned in by Thursday. That's the latest I can accept it because grades are going to then be put in that day and everything should be wrapped up for the 9 weeks. So if you're all caught up, awesome. You don't owe me anything. Take a break, relax this week. Otherwise, get me anything that you still owe me. This is like a nice big long forgiveness week. So you have a little bit of breathing room, a little bit of space to get this stuff done and get it turned in. Like I said before, look, if you don't turn something in, um, that assignment is a zero, and that zero really, really impacts your grade. Opposed to if you turn something in even late, like if you missed a drawing from week two, you can still turn that drawing in now, and you're still going to get a lot of credit for that drawing. You'll get like most of the credit. So that will greatly, greatly benefit your grade if you turn that in, even if things are late. So no matter how late they are, no matter like, if it's from week one, I don't care, get it turned in and you'll get points for that. And that will do you a lot of good. So make sure you get everything turned in. Anything you're missing, get to me by Thursday. By Thursday. Okay. Any questions, shoot me an email or message me through Canvas. Otherwise, if you're done with everything, relax, enjoy yourself. If you're not done, get that stuff turned in. And that's all I got for you. Thanks, guys.